Hello, Scratch Kitchen and Home. How are you guys doing? How are you holding up? I'm going to try to do at least 2 more videos this month. Okay, we are going into another holiday. I know it gets crazy. Trust me, we feel it. My daughter's a pharmacy technician at a local grocery store. We know it gets crazy. These are your June Tailor mug mats. Now these are basically, they have room for like a bagel, whichever hand you can tell I'm right-handed, right? Whatever is your dominant hand, you can have your food on one side, your coffee on the other side, and it's perfect size. And with the little table we have, works beautiful. Now that one I did like a Japanese inspired jelly roll. I got Christmas here, and I have just your basic fall. Now the difference between these two here and this one is I did a self-binding technique with this one. I like this better. It came together a lot quicker because I didn't have to screw around with doing all this here. But I know some people don't like Amazon.com, but they are really the least expensive to get these mug mats by June Tailor. And you also get the jelly roll things through them. Anyway, you can get the jelly roll. I got the binding at Walmart, as always, duh. So, I will see you guys later.